So we're here and we got all kinds of characters, all kinds of people, good, bad, and ugly, all of that stuff. What can we do? And then we got another cacophony of loud sounds. The Mango Man, the Mango Brother, going really loud. And I don't even know what this avenue is. I'm gonna catch a taxi around here in a moment just to go back to the hotel because I'm feeling tired. And they do have Oxxos here. So this is where we are. Let me cross the street. The traffic light is gonna go green. And ouch. Talking about the masks. And this is La Septima. It goes on and on. I remember this is a very long avenue. Well, let's go look at that old building. I mean, I'm only here. Wow. I'm gonna do one live stream here just to show people what it is. I think I'm gonna do one more instead of Parque La 93. I'm gonna do this one because I'm just not gonna make it to Parque La 93. I'm just getting energy where I have no energy to get from. People playing chess. Look, chess players. Chess. Everybody's doing something. Gotta be doing something. I gotta be doing something. Oh yeah. MJ all the way. And that's why I'm traveling. Traveling Eddie's gotta be doing something and is not sitting back at the country house and just making videos of birds eating food, eating bananas. I gotta travel around the world and show you guys the good, the bad, and the ugly. Avenida de la República. And all of that, and that music is blasting again. So I'm just gonna show you this. And well, look at that building. Wow. And look at this church. Wow, wow. Let's go this way. So yeah. So we go this way and show more stuff here in Bogota, and a mime doing his thing. Wow. Look at the toys, old toys. Old toys. I mean, you got all kinds of characters here. Looking all strange, all funny looking. I mean, this is a circus in its general. And that's on, oh, a motorcycle with a motor. I mean, a bicycle with a motor. That was just not right. That was just not right. And the music is just crazy. Look at the little doggy with the bindis. I mean, I don't know. This city is so multiculturally diverse that you see people dressed in so many different ways. And there's another Oxxo here. Wow. Look at a vegan restaurant there, Mestizo. Vegano. Viva la vida. Viva la vida loca. Wow. Kitchen cuisine. Cocina. Restaurant. And then we got this restaurant here. It's a vegan restaurant. It's called Mestizo. Vegano, Mestizo. So you got all this. Wow. Nice. Very nice. And I'm going this way because it's just music is getting me like a ping pong ball and making me bounce all around. I hope YouTube understands. I hope YouTube understands this is not something I'm doing on purpose. It's just this people blasting music on the street and from shops and from bars and restaurants in so many places, and you're like, come on, man. But I gotta just relax. So yeah, this is Colombia. This is Colombia. Only, that's the name of the shop. Only in Colombia. Personería de Bogotá. Gracias. 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 So we're going to continue here with the video. Hermanito, suerte, gracias, suerte, suerte, suerte. So yo, this guy doesn't get it. I was about to smack the crap out of his face because he was trying to touch my fanny pack. He was trying to open the pocket here and get something out. Luckily, well, I got my backpack on my back. I'm gonna have to check it because the guy was just getting me a little worked up and asking me for money. And I'm tired, and when I'm tired, my patience withers away. And he was just on top of me. You know, you gotta respect a little space, a little personal space. And the guy was just on me and putting the stuff in my face, on my body, those little things. Ouch, this lady's really loud. So yeah, so far this is a cacophony of noise. Soda with a burger, 3,500. A hot dog with a burger, 3,000. As I said, I'm a fearless dude. I walk around and everything, but when somebody starts getting on my nerves and is touching me like, give me money, give me money, give me money, and putting some product or some little menu in my face, on my body, and touching my fanny pack, that crosses this line with me. And then I had to tell him, step away. I told him in Spanish, hey, suerte, alejes or something. I don't remember what I said in Spanish, but he got the picture when he saw my face like I meant business. If you show a face of an idiot, they'll eat you up alive. If you show you mean business, then it's different. So we have here Teatro Municipal Jorge Eliezer Gaitán. Cinemática 50 años, Gala de Cine Colombiano, 50 years of Colombian cinema. And this guy's playing some music live and everything. So there we go. So here we go. A lot of things. This is an experience in itself. I had never had this experience before like this, but in a way, if you look at it, it looks so dilapidated. It looks so run down, like they're not taking care of it. It looks graffiti everywhere. It's sad. It's sad. Look at these big ass mangoes. Big mangoes. So I'm gonna finish up over here somewhere and call it the day. I hope you liked this. And if you liked it, give it a like. If you didn't, then don't. If you hate it, then give it a thumbs down. It's your decision, your call. It's all good with me. And time to let you guys go. Until next time, remember, I'm doing live streaming and I'm doing videos, but I'm gonna start toning down on the daily videos. But the live streaming, I'm gonna start amping them up. Take care, guys.